So, this is what Croach looks like after a rainstorm in Utah. It's August in Utah. It never rains here, and it has rained for the last week nonstop. So you can plainly see why I have no choice. And I mean absolutely no choice but to replace the box on Croach. It's just shot. So I was going to come out today and empty Croach out and get moving towards being done so that I can start tearing this apart. But as you can plainly see, the rain decided that wasn't going to happen today. The rain decided it plainly wasn't going to happen today. So I'm Max Payne. This is the Payne Lair, and this is what Croach looks like when it rains and why Croach needs my TLC.